Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a vehicle that might just be cooler than my neighbor Todd's 90s cover band, and they once got kicked out of a farmer's market for playing too loud. Feast your eyes on the 1963 Volkswagen Type 2 15-window Deluxe. This isn't just a bus, it's a full-blown road-tripping time capsule with a 2.0-liter heart transplant and the swagger of a beachside surf shack. Before we roll deeper into vintage VW magic, make sure you hit that subscribe button, or I'll send Todd over with his acoustic version of Metallica. Now, let's talk about what I believe is one of the cleanest, most thoughtfully modded VWs I've seen. The factory blue-white and turquoise combo has been swapped for a sleek light gray and white scheme, like James Bond traded his tux for a cardigan. Under the skin is a 2007cc flat-4 engine. That's 2.0 liters for the metric fans, hooked up to a 4-speed manual transaxle. It's got dual Weber carbs, a creative Engineering IRS conversion, CSP disc brakes up front, and a lowered suspension that makes it sit just right. Kind of like me on a patio chair after 3 tacos. Inside, you get gray cloth upholstery, a Gene Berg shifter, and even a Bendix Sapphire IM radio, which I'm pretty sure only plays Beatles B-sides and conspiracy theories. The dash is clean. The odometer reads 8,000 miles, which I think might be accurate if it only drove to vintage car meets. And the wiring harness was replaced. The rear space? A multicolored cloth bench seat setup with storage cubbies, a fold-out table, curtains, and a black and white vinyl floor. I like the most how this rig nails that retro camp vibe without losing daily usability. Riding on 15-inch flat-4 alloys, the tires are older but solid, 165/50 up front and 185/55 in the back. There's even a roof rack with a ladder, because nothing says adventure like questionable roof access. And with all the extras, aluminum lawn chairs, Coleman stove, folding table, you've got yourself a rolling Airbnb that runs smoother than Todd's second divorce. Currently part of the Driver Source Oct Motorfest collection, this VW comes with a Stiston Auto Museum Volkswagen certificate and a clean Texas title. And if you've got about $65,000 to $75,000 USD, 60,000 euro to 69,000 euro burning a hole in your pocket, I think this beauty's worth it. The link is in the description. And I promise, no Todd.